India Joy 2021, Asia's largest digital entertainment festival supported by the Government of Telangana, TVAGA and presented by MPL on the inaugural day attracted over thousands of technology leaders from 50 countries including the leading industry voices. India Joy 2021 kicked off on a high note with the formal opening of the 4-day event by Sri K.T. Rama Rao, Minister for Municipal Admin and Urban Development, Industry and Commerce, ITE and C, and Sri Jayesh Ranjan, Principal Secretary of the Industry and Commerce, INC and Information Technology IT departments of the Telangana government. The opening remarks by Sri K.T. Rama Rao set the tone for the theme Virtual is Reality.
There is an event, especially a joyful event like India Joy. We jump in joy and come and join you guys, so always a pleasure being here. India Joy has decided to devote special attention to OTT. And I am also a huge fan of OTT, I must tell you guys, because I think the comfort of enjoying, creative content from your drawing room, from your bedroom, from the confines of your home, without actually having to travel outside, is something truly unparalleled in the history. So therefore, the potential also to grow is that much larger. The possibilities, of course, it brings in terms of content to the viewers is unlimited. Hyderabad and the state of Telangana have continued to show success in all domains of image. In animation sphere, the most noteworthy success has been our homegrown champion, Chhota Bheem, whose Netflix debut has gone on to set multiple records. I think Rajiv and the team of Green Gold deserve a huge round of applause. Telangana is one of the major contributors of VFX outsourcing to Hollywood and also to regional film markets thanks to its most comprehensive VFX ecosystem, which comprises more than 20 academies creating a world-class talent pool and 40+ production houses employing close to 30,000 resources. We also have the Center of Excellence to support VFX startup companies and freelancers. Government incentivizes local companies to expand their business and create more employment and mentorship opportunities and networking support from nodal bodies like TVAGA, TWAGA. The ecosystem is attracting MNCs and big-scale production houses to set up their facilities in Telangana. In the last 3 years, 10 new VFX production houses have been established in Hyderabad. Hyderabad-based gaming companies have also made the best of the new market opportunities created during the pandemic. 45 companies have chosen Hyderabad as their destination in gaming sector in the last 2 years, taking the total to 80 gaming companies in Hyderabad. My best wishes for a very successful edition of India Joy. Thank you very much.
OTT వల్ల కొత్త టాలెంట్ వస్తుంది. అసలు బౌండరీస్ లేకుండా ఒక మంచి ప్రాజెక్ట్ని రెడీ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అలాగే థియేటర్స్కి వెళ్తే కనుక ఎప్పుడైనా సరే థియేటర్స్కి మూవీస్ చేస్తుంటే కాల్కులేషన్స్ అనేవి ఉంటూ ఉంటాయి, కొన్ని రిస్ట్రిక్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి క్రియేటివిటీలో. సో అవన్నీ కన్సిడర్ చేస్తూ ఐ థింక్ OTT is come up, but end of the day I would still say cinema is for the theaters, and if OTT and theaters can coexist, it's only good for films and all. సింపుల్ లాంగ్వేజ్లో పర్ఫెక్ట్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలంటే OTT is like IPL, మంచి డ్రామా కంటెంట్ కూడా ఉంటుంది, కానీ మెయిన్ మ్యాచెస్ మాత్రం అదర్ వరల్డ్ కప్స్ అండ్ మ్యాచెస్, సో అది థియేటర్స్. సో దట్స్ వాట్ ఐ కెన్ సే. సో కంగ్రాచులేట్ ఎవ్రీవన్. ఐ మీన్ మీరందరూ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చారు, ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ అందరం ఇలా కలిసామంటేనే ఇట్స్ అ గ్రేట్ థింగ్. ఐ కెన్ సీ you've come forward to support this event.